One of the best ways to display your ATV trip, whether you want it for your own personal use, or you wanted to send it to a friend, or you wanted to make it public, is to use a program like evrytrail. It's free to use. You just have to join and sign up. And once you sign up, you're allowed to publish your trails. And it's a fairly simple method of doing it. What you would do, it's really two steps. You would upload your GPX file. You would then add any photographs that you want and publish it. The nice thing about evrytrail is that it will work on a Windows machine. It'll work on a Mac. It also works very well on smartphones and iPhones. In fact, I went on a ride recently where I took my phone, started recording the track in evrytrail on my phone. I put the phone in my pocket with a zipper, and just to see how it would work, and it worked fantastic. In fact, it not only recorded the trip, but as you're driving along, it uploads it onto the server at evrytrail, so it keeps track of where you are remotely also. You would have to have a wireless connection for that, but as soon as you get within, say, the top of a mountain or top of a hill, and you do get a wireless, it will send all that data in. Okay, let's create a trail. I'm going to create a trip here. And it's set up in kind of like a wizard. You go through the different steps. So the first thing it asks you to do is to choose a file. So you go in and find your GPX file. And I have one here that's saved to my hard drive, so I'll open it up. Spiral Hill, June the 9th. I could have taken it directly from my Garmin GPS also, have it plugged in, went in internal storage and brought it in from there. So that's the second way I could have done it. Once I've chosen that file, I can just click Upload File, and that's going to put it on the evrytrail server. In step 2, you can add a title, and what you can do here is make it public or private. If you make it private, you can still send it to people if you send them an encoded link. You can put the trip date on. You can should put a tag, what activity is. You can put the location. All this is optional, by the way. You can put a trip story, tips, different tags for people to search. You can display it in Google Terrain, which is what's showing now. A hybrid, which is satellite and roads, or satellite or just a regular map. You can also put your GPS device that will record the trip, and now you have the option of either say done, and all I want to display is a trip, or click continue, and if you do that, it's going to give you the option of adding photos. So I can now browse photographs. I can hold the shift key down, select them all if I want, and they're going to be added to the story. I could also have done it with Flickr, which I use Picasa a lot. You could have taken it from there. And now I'm going to upload them. Once your photos are uploaded, what evrytrail will do is try and place them where you took the photos. So if the photos are geo-referenced, it'll automatically put them in the correct location. If not, you can move them around the way you want. Everytrail has now got all the photos uploaded, and where possible, it'll put your photos in the correct location. That means that it'll only work if your photos are geo-referenced. If you have a smartphone, you can turn on geo-referencing on your smartphone. So when you take a picture, it records the latitude and longitude of where the picture was taken. If you have a GPS unit that takes photos, it automatically geo-references all the pictures. You can also then go into part B. Then you can, if you don't have a geo-reference, you can place them yourself. You can also put descriptions on each one of the photographs. I notice here that I have all the lats and longs already there, but I could change the location of that if I wanted to. So this is okay, so I'm just going to press continue. And the last step is you're going to look at, see what you just created. Yeah, once you've got it all done, you can go and display what your presentation is going to look like. You notice that where the pictures are taken shows up on the map also. Now, if you want to go back and there was a problem with the pictures, you can always go back and edit that, because you have edit tracks, you have edit the pictures here. So let's go back and edit some pictures, and I'll show you how that works. You're going to edit locations and descriptions. And let's say that this one picture here was not geo-referenced, and it gives you the option then to map it. And I happen to know that that picture was taken right about there. So now that picture is now in the correct location. Now every one of your trips is saved in my evrytrail, and you can go back and look at them. Here's the one that I did with my smartphone sitting in my pocket. It did a pretty good job of tracking it. It not only tracked the speed I was going at, but also tracked the elevation of the road. And this is, as I was going along, constantly was sending my location to evrytrail. And so somebody could be sitting at home, logged into your evrytrail, and see where you were going, if there is a wireless connection.